What is the seller disclosure notice? The seller disclosure notice are documents where the sellers outline everything they know about the home they're been living in. In Texas, this is a several-page document. Here, the seller will outline everything they know, including details about utility providers, any leaks or damages to the property, insurance claims, and any other modifications done to the home. These are important details that you need to read thoroughly. If you notice something, you should ask for more clarity. For example, if it mentions a small roof leak, ask about its location, the cost, and whether the damage was repaired and when. As a home buyer, it is crucial to review the seller's disclosure notice. Make sure you read with a real estate agent and go over it together. This way, you can understand the contents and identify any red flags. Don't forget to read the seller's disclosure notice when you're buying a house.